good evening. How's everybody doing? It's Brandis Stevenson here, and I wanted to share with you a little natural solution to celebrate Earth Day. So I hope everybody's been having a good day. Hopefully you got outside wherever you are in the world and celebrated Earth Day, which technically should be every day, right? But you know, it's nice that we have a designated day to bring awareness and attention to Earth Day because it is so important. And so one of the ways that I have decided to really make a conscious contribution to owning all that Mother Earth has to bring us is by making my own yoga mat cleaner. And so I thought I would share that recipe and concoction with you. So, and literally you guys, this takes like 5 ingredients. Like that's the best thing, and you probably have everything in your house. So anyways, yoga mat cleaner. Here we go. It's literally like 5 ingredients, if that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ingredients. You probably have them in your house, and you can make it, and it's super easy, and it takes no time at all. And here's the thing, you guys, you're probably already buying a yoga mat cleaner that's gonna cost you, like, I don't even know, what are they, like $5, $6, $7, $12, depending on where you're going, for like this thing that comes in this little bottle, right? So here's what you need. This is a 4-ounce glass bottle. I just got mine from Amazon. You could do a 2-ounce glass bottle and just adjust the recipe as needed. But honestly, this was like $4 or something on Amazon, and you know, it's blue and it's pretty, so it comes with me everywhere. So that's the first thing you need. The other thing you need, one of the main ingredients obviously, is distilled water. That's backwards. So distilled water. Why distilled water? So distilled water goes through this process where all of the impurities have been removed, and so it's a super, super clean water. And I could give you all the scientific stuff on distilled water, but it's like steamed and then comes back and, you know, what have you. So that's why distilled water, because all of the impurities have been removed. They do say this is optional. I do include it. You absolutely don't have to. It depends on the recipe, but witch hazel is going to be your other like main ingredient, and it's alcohol free. Make sure you get an alcohol free witch hazel. Okay, so this is even rose petal, so it's just like, I'm just gonna have the best yoga mat cleaner on the face of the planet. So alcohol free witch hazel is your other ingredient, and then you could also use white vinegar, but I'm not a fan. So you could, if that's what you had on hand, like feel free, knock yourselves out. So, and then my other 2 main ingredients, which are essential oils. So for this particular, my concoction is tea tree and lavender. And here's why. Both of them have antibacterial properties in them. Lavender is just a really soothing, calming scent as well, but it's really the tea tree. So if you've ever, you know, tea tree shampoo is good for removing like buildup from your hair and your scalp and things like that. So tea tree oil is a really, really great cleansing oil, has really great cleansing properties to it. And so that's what makes this really, really great for your yoga mat cleaner. Lavender also is really great for impurities and things like that as well, but also just is really, you know, calming and beautiful and fragrant. So that's it. That's all you need, those 4 ingredients. So here I've got my glass spray bottle. And I'm going to start with my witch hazel. So it is 1/4 of a cup of witch hazel. Here's my handy Pyrex, you guys. Into the bottle it goes. You could probably get a funnel if you wanted one. Not necessary though. And then 3/4 of a cup of your distilled water. I am not going to pour this thing while holding this cup because that could get really, really dicey. I guess that worked out okay. Okay. I'm going to put that in my glass bottle. This is like a test of my wills here. Okay. So once you have that in your glass bottle, then it's time to add your essential oils. Now, here's my thing. You can play around with this. I have a 4-ounce glass bottle. If you had a 2-ounce glass bottle, you'd want to adjust accordingly. I initially started off with an equal ratio of 5 drops of tea tree or melaleuca, 5 drops of lavender. Totally up to you. You can play around with it. A lot of the recipes I've seen have like 3 drops of melaleuca, 5 of lavender. Like, find what works for you. You also feel free to add in anything else that you think would be beneficial. Like, some people may want to add balance and do it that way, but for the cleansing property and cleaning, you really want tea tree to be your base no matter what you do. So I'm going to add, this is tea tree. Make sure I had the right one there. Oh, okay. I'm going to go 6 because I'm feeling fancy today. And I'm going to do 5 of my lavender. That's it. Look at that. So put your little lid on. Shake it up. Done. Done. What did that take? Like 5 minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And here's the thing, you guys, is that all of these ingredients, if you don't have distilled water, like, you could go get it. It's like 89 cents or 99 cents, whatever, for this gallon. I mean, and I've made this particular thing twice, and I still have all this water left, right? So, okay, so let's do just the cost savings. So you're going to go spend, like, I don't know, $5 to $10 on some yoga cleaner at the store that you're not really sure, like, what the hell is in it or any of that sort of stuff. So you can buy this for like 99 cents or whatever. Your witch hazel is probably going to run you, I don't know, $5, $6, depending. Make sure it's alcohol free. I know I saw it on Amazon for like $6 as like an add-on. And so you'll have that, right? Okay. And then you have your essential oils, and these, you know, range from, I think, like, you know, $20 or whatever. But think about it, if you're using them anyway, which I do all the time, like, you just have them anyway, so it doesn't even matter. And then you can make this yoga mat spray like anytime. And here's the other really cool thing. It makes for anybody into like giving gifts and stuff like that. It makes a perfect gift for your little yogi friend, even your meditation friend. Here's the other great thing about this concoction. Same deal. You could just use distilled water and lavender and have your own bedroom spray, like, to calm your vibes at night, things like that. So, as a matter of fact, this just smells really good. Let me just use that as like a room spray. So you could do that too. Like, you could just distilled water and fill up your glass and have, you know, an evening spray, and, you know, spritz it on your sheets before you go to bed, something like that. So that's it. Like, 4 ingredients. Done. Yoga mat spray. And then here's the thing. And then just use your paper towel, spray it on your yoga mat, and be prepared for everyone to ask you to borrow it, because it happens to me all the time. So that's it. Earth Day natural solution. Hello, yoga mat spray cleaner. And then also, like I said, you could use the bedroom cleaner with you could just do lavender oil and distilled water and mix that in a thing, and you could have it. So there are so many uses for this. For cleaning, I mean, with like essential oils, it's just a really great thing, and I'm so happy that I discovered it. It was one of the things that I first did with my essential oils, was to make this yoga mat cleaner, and now I use it all the time. I'm a little addicted, and, you know, the cost savings are just amazing, because it's like pennies on the dollar, honestly, by the time you get done buying all of the stuff, and then you have it to make on hand. So that's the thing. Also, this spray bottle on Amazon, I think I got 2 of them or 4 of them. So you can buy them, and then you have something to like make as, you know, gifts, or, you know, give to somebody as like a really nice hostess gift or something like that. So that's it. If share this out if you know anybody looking for a DIY solution to their yoga mat cleaning situation. Hit me up if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them for you. That was a lot of fun. Let me know. Let's get you started on the path to natural wellness and making your own yoga mat spray. So even if you're going to order these two, right? These two oils come in my favorite kit, which is the Home Essentials kit, which is the one I started with, or even the Family Essentials kit is really great as well. And these two oils come in those kits, and so you could get these two plus all the other ones. And when you do that, you also get access to my Oil Girl Tribe, where we teach you all about the oils. Plus, I will do a one-on-one wellness lifestyle overview with you and how you can incorporate these oils into your life. So I hope you've had a wonderful, wonderful Earth Day. I hope that you take the time and really just celebrate all that Earth has to give us. Essential oils do come from the earth. They're all natural. They are nature's little bottles of like healing, honestly. And if you make this concoction, please do come back to this video and let me know. And I thank you all for watching here live and on the replay, and I will see you. That was a lot of fun, so I think I might do this again because it was a good time. Why not, right? So have a beautiful, beautiful evening wherever you are in the world catching this. Let me know if you make this and how it serves you, and if you know anybody that needs this or would like this, please do share it out with them. Sharing is always caring, and I will see you all very soon. Lots of love.